Good morning! Are you planning next vacation in the city? Then maybe this video is for you. We stayed last holiday at H2O Hotel. This is just behind the Manila Ocean Park. We're from the south, inagahan talaga naming umalis, kaya naman 10:30 pa lang nandito na kami. We come early dahil mag-Ocean Park muna talaga kami while waiting for the check-in time. And as usual, 2 p.m. ang kanilang check-in time and medyo strict sila doon. Nasa third floor ang kanilang main lobby, kaya kailangan pa naming sumakay ng elevator to get there. Time check, 2:30 p.m. na at tapos na rin kaming makapag-explore sa Ocean Park. Perfect timing din na ready na ang room, pwede na kami mag-check-in and medyo pagod na rin ang mga bata. Kaya tara, room tour na tayo! By the way, we booked a deluxe queen aqua room with a large bed and itong huge na aquarium inside. Nag-request din pala ako ng extra bed. Ito naman ang kanilang coffee and tea corner at ito naman ang kanilang fridge na ayaw mabuksan kaya tinigil ko na baka masira ko pa. And here's the cabinet and storage and syempre ang sleepers meron yan. And take note, ang kanilang laundry bag dito ay upon request pa. Clean bathroom with all the kits you need. At syempre may salamin, di pwedeng hindi tayo magse-selfie. So yun, I'm happy naman dahil malinis. With a decent size, okay ang mga towels and separate din pala ang bowl and bath and yan meron silang pa-blower. At dahil nag-request nga ako ng additional bed, nagbigay rin sila ng additional towels and toiletries. And here's how it looks like. Itinabi lang nila dun sa large bed. Ngayon ko lang na-imagine na sobrang ganda pala ng may malaking aquarium sa loob ng room. Sobrang relaxing kasi nilang tingnan yung habang nagpapaanto ka. Nakatingin ka lang sa kanila tapos maya-maya di mo na mamalayan, tulog ka na. Anyway, may advisory sila dito na naka-temporary close ang kanilang pool. At ito pala ang makikitang mga isda inside the aquarium. And also a reminder about feeding time, cleaning time. The aquarium lights will be turned off at 9 p.m. and ibabalik din nila ng 6 a.m. Which is nasa din ako for the kids kasi expected nga nila na overnight daw itong lights. Dahil rin dito kasi sa aqua room kaya napili namin magstay dito. Anyway, okay lang din naman na i-turn off ang light pero sana next time i-extend nila kahit hanggang 12 midnight lang. Included din pala sa kanilang amenities itong fitness area. Kailangan mo nga lang mag-login before using the equipment and located yon sa kanilang spa. At ito nga ang kanilang spa, open siya ng 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Located naman siya sa may dulo ng kanilang lobby on the right side. The rate of the room is included na ang breakfast buffet. Dito sa Makan Makan Asian Food Village. Hindi pa pala kasama ang kids for the breakfast buffet. Kaya nag-additional 450 pesos pa kami. And after eating breakfast, ay in-explore naman namin itong kanilang club lounge and plus the overlooking view of Manila Bay. So yun, indeed such one-of-a-kind experience to stay and definitely recommended staying if you have kids. And that's it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo. Stay tuned on the next one. Bye!